Hey y'all, welcome to the B&B Show.
Today is Handy Dandy How-Tos
With me and you.
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Brandy, and today we're at one of our vacant properties to show you guys some maintenance quick fixes.
Come on, let's go. There's standing water in my dishwasher and my dishes are just not getting clean anymore. I wish Brandy from Handy Dandy How-Tos was here to help me with this.
Your wish is my command.
Brandy, you're here!
How can I help you today, Brittany?
My dishwasher has standing water in it and all my dishes still look dirty.
No worries. First you want to check your drain and make sure there's no debris clogging it up. And then it should drain and wash great.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.